everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a gender reveal order with you guys. So I'm going to be doing a dozen of Rice Krispies and then 3 dozens of chocolate covered Oreos. I did get 2 of the Oreo boxes just in case, as well as my mold for the Oreos, and then some gender reveal molds, which I will be linking everything on my Amazon storefront down below if you guys are interested in getting any of these items that I did get, as well as the color mill in baby pink. I also have it in baby blue since we will be doing both colors. Restock on my gloves. These are the type of gloves that I get either in black or pink. This time I went with black. From Amazon as well, I did get some sticks for the Rice Krispies in pink and in blue, so it can go all with the theme. But further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this order.
Okay, we're going to get started by coloring our chocolate. I'm using Color Mill in the color Rose. And then I went ahead and mixed it with baby pink so I can get that nice pink color on there. And I'm going to start doing my Oreo. So I only fill halfway with chocolate for the bottom for the base. And you don't want to fill it up too much, if not the chocolate's going to come out of the mold. And then we're going to add our Oreos in there, center them correctly so they can cover nice and neat with the layered chocolate on top. And you just want to add just a little bit just so it can cover it. And once done, you just want to tap on it so the chocolate can spread out evenly. You're going to put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes so the chocolate can really harden. In the meantime, you're going to start working on your chocolate mold. While those are in the fridge, we're going to do our Rice Krispies. I add chocolate on the stick and put it on the Rice Krispies, and I put those aside in the meantime so it can harden. My Oreos are now ready, so I literally just pop them out of the mold and set them aside and start dipping my Rice Krispies. You want to make sure you get all the way to the top. You can use a knife so it can help you spread on the top and take out the excess from the bottom. Now, once your Rice Krispies are dried, you're going to start drizzling. I use a Ziploc bag, cut a small hole on my bag, and start drizzling nice and calm, as you can see. And I'm just going to drizzle away on my Rice Krispies and the Oreos as well. As soon as I'm done drizzling these, I am going to add the chocolate molds. That way they can stick. And I'm going to do that for the rest. That way I don't have to put excess chocolate on the back of each mold. And that rest of the chocolate, you're going to add it on your parchment paper. That way you can rotate your pretzel rods on there. And the rest of that chocolate, you're going to scrape it off onto that cup. If you have a lot of pretzel rods to do, you can add a heating pad underneath the parchment paper. That way your chocolate can stay warm as long as you need it.